Actually, the advance of the technology make our children and young people have addicted to video games. Dedicating a lot of time to these activities in these games, things occupy an important part in their lives. Regardless of who are losing the key of knowledge, learning because all the time is being spent on electronic machines on their personal computer. With experience as a teacher, teenagers, I can see students less important of things. Lack of interest in knowledge when they don't make the homework and the classwork. I realized that because when I talked with some of them about the video games, they said to me that they do this when their parents are at work. So they didn't have time to look for their responsibilities nor fulfill obligations. I think these kind of addictions, such as video games, cell phone, and other technological tools, depend on the freedom that the parents give to their children when they give these gifts to them. They have to monitor their children for the cybernautical fantasy that is living the minds of our children. These kinds of games on the computer, on the phone, PSP or PlayStation have reached many people's minds. I also think that video games teach positive things such as crossword, puzzle, or treasures and win battles against monsters, etc. These are full of imaginary situations that the child of teenager thinking they have to beat the computer through levels. If they don't test away that they are happy. On the contrary, the other people think that these video games are harmful to children's minds, as some games show to violent and hurt others. So it is necessary that parents and teachers talk with their children and students to awareness them that those games can create a problem in their behavior, in their concentration, and in the studies. For that reason, we must coordinate with them and revise their playtime and make sure that the games that they are using don't have violence. In conclusion, it's important to limit the time that children spend playing video games. Thanks.